Tucson and Pima County seeing the effects of fierce wind much of the day.
Yeah, KGUN 9's Joel Foster is in Vail to see how neighbors there were impacted.
I'm here in Vail where we're seeing powerful gusts of wind that have caused power outages in the area. The National Weather Service recorded gusts up to 61 miles per hour in Tucson, causing damage all across the county. According to TEP, over 100 households found themselves without power on Wednesday morning in parts of Vail bordering Mescal. TEP says this was a result of damaged equipment from high winds in the area. By early afternoon, power was completely restored for those customers. The wind also knocked down a tree on Pantano Road between Speedway and Wrightstown roads. The felled tree blocked southbound traffic late on Wednesday morning. According to the National Weather Service, the wind should die down Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Until then, layer up, keep your pets indoors as much as possible, and protect your pipes from potential freezing weather. Reporting from Vail near Marsh Station in Aqua Verde, Joel Foster, KGUN 9.